Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the control sticks and the motion control on the Nintendo Switch Joy-Con 2 controller. We go to Settings and Controllers Accessories and go to Calibrate the sticks now. We enter into the calibration mode and have a look because we check that the controller is in the center. If it is drafting or not in the center, you should perform a calibration, as you can see. Within the calibration, it's easy, as you can see. You use the stick to target right, up, down, left, and so on, and then you have make a circle around. That's the calibration is completed. Of course, you should perform this not only with the Joy-Con 2 on the left side. We can make this on the right side as shown before. Easy peasy, the same thread, of course. If you does not like to save these settings, you can go back to default settings by using the Y button. We can make a calibration by the X button, and then calibration is done. If you are going to make calibration of the motion control, we get the sticks into position and we push the plus button. That means for the right stick or the right Joy-Con 2, we use the plus button and lay down it on a flat surface. Then, if we are going to check this on the left side of the Joy-Con 2, we have to use the minus button as well. Then let it on the ground. Calibration is completed. Job's done, baby. That's cool. If you are going to test the buttons, you can go to test button mode and you can smash every button function, as you can see, and have a log that they are good in condition. I like a pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. That's it.